Hey everyone, Ryan here from TinyImage and welcome back to the channel. For today's Tiny Tips, we've got a very important topic to cover, structured data. Now it might seem like a lot to take in at first, but stick around to the end of the video and you'll be a pro in no time. First off, what is structured data? Structured data is a piece of code that helps search engines better understand what your page is all about. In search engines, they appear as rich snippets. By adding this, you can capture rich snippets in search results and present your store's most important information. Rich snippets help your product stand out and increase visibility to potential customers. One of the best ways to deliver all of this data is through JSON-LD. JSON-LD is a widely preferred method helping Google to display key information. Things like whether a product's in stock, price range, customer reviews, which ultimately does improve your CTR. And of course, pretty much all the information needed for a potential customer. Another great and free resource to help you on your journey with structured data is schema.org. Once you go to the site, use the search bar here to find the schema you're looking for. In this case, let's check out URL. Click search, find the best suited, and scroll down to see the examples with no markup, with microdata, RDFA, JSON, and structure. Testing your current structured data. To test your current structured data, simply Google test rich results. I'll include a link in the description below. All you need to do is input your desired URL here, click enter, and you can see here all of the structured data is correctly in place. Tiny tip, I recommend testing at least one page from every category. On the other hand, if your search results look like this, Google can't properly display your relevant information, ultimately hurting your traffic and sales. To save you time and stress, TinyImage automatically adds the 6 most important types of JSON-LD. Store, website, product, collection, article, and breadcrumbs. Store. This schema provides search engines with information about your store, improving its visibility in search results. It usually includes store name, logo, socials, and contact. Website. The website schema improves your overall site's presence by providing metadata about the entire website. It usually includes a website name, search action, and URL. This kind of structured data helps Google in understanding contact hierarchy and shows search functionality directly in search results. Collection. This schema provides metadata about the collection of products. This helps search engines better understand how products are categorized on your website. It can include collection name, list of products, and descriptions. This improves the discoverability of product categories within your website. Article. The article schema is used for blog posts and articles on your store. It provides data about the content, making it easier for search engines to index and rank. This usually includes a title, an author, publication date, and more. This schema can really help blogs and articles appear as rich results in searches. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs help search engines better understand your site's navigation hierarchy, site structure, and navigation paths. This schema enhances search results by displaying a clearer navigation path to the user. Most importantly, product. The product schema gives search engines information about individual products. These can appear as rich snippets or Google shopping ads. It usually includes name, description, availability, ratings, and reviews. This enhances all of your product's visibility, driving more clicks to your store. Tiny tip, out of all these different schemas, the most important is product and product review. These help Google to understand whether or not a product is in stock, their pricing, and of course the ratings directly in the search results. To make this as easy as possible, TinyImage is integrated with almost all the review apps to display rating count and aggregate rating on Google searches. Adding JSON to your store. Fortunately, there are a few ways to add structured data to your Shopify store. You can hire an expert, do it manually, or use full solutions like TinyImage. Just because the implementation of structured data does require such a large attention to detail and quite a bit of knowledge on Shopify Liquid, HTML, and more, we recommend using an app like TinyImage. How to add JSON with TinyImage. All you need to do is provide relevant information in a dedicated dashboard and TinyImage will take care of the rest for you. First of all, select TinyImage from your apps, improve SEO, set up JSON-LD, and on this page, complete the short form I mentioned earlier. Make sure to fill it out with as much information and with as much details as possible to achieve the best results. TinyImage is integrated with almost all the review apps to display rating count and aggregate rating on a Google search. Hit save, followed by add theme extension. On the left, you can toggle on and off the different schemas that we covered earlier, which is much better than having to go and input everything manually or paying an expert a bunch of money to get it done for you. Tiny tip, you should only use one set of JSON-LD to avoid conflicts. TinyImage solution is one of the best because it does cover all of your needs and more automatically. Chrome extension. As a bonus, TinyImage also has a Chrome extension that allows you to view your JSON-LD directly. Go to tinyimage.com, under the Tools menu, hit Chrome extension, add to Chrome, and pin like so. Okay, so using the TinyImage extension is simple. Simply go to your desired website. It could be yours or a competitor's. Click the extension up here. Now you can go through the website's overview, headings, status, links, and more. Down here, click Schema to open up structured data. Select product and explore a bit deeper into the different schemas currently active and working. It's the best tiny extension for your browser. Well, there you go. Structured data is there to help Google understand what your store is all about, as well as increasing your chances to appear in rich results. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. See you next time.